Hello everyone, welcome back to RP Automation, my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to extract data using web automation, like in Automation Anywhere. How we can extract data which is available inside of any website and all. So web extraction is very important things in Automation Anywhere. So today's interview question is real-time interview question. This question is asked so many times during the Automation Anywhere interview, or can say Power Automate review path also. So interviewer will give you one website, and you have to extract data which is available of inside of website. So in today's video, we are going to solve this type of question. Like I have here my VI website, and we have to extract all these plans, guys. So all these plans and validities and GB data, we have to extracted these things, and we need to put these things into Excel file. So we have to extract things is this rupees and GB data, this GB data, and days validity. These three things we have to extract in today's task, and this extracted data we need to put in our Excel file. So this is very important task, and this is real time interview questions also. So let's start, try to solve this question. So first of all, we need to open this website. Okay, so type here open, and under browser package we have one action, open. Take it here in our workspace and give here link. So if you want to guys make a video on how to fill web forms, or how to write anything in website, so if you want to make a video on this, so comment down on this video. So I will make a separate video on that also. So we have taken open action for the open our website purpose, and we have to select our specific browser, guys. So these things is very important. And new window, I have selected new window and Chrome browser. Okay. So now for the extraction purpose in Automation Anywhere, we have to use capture action under available of recorder package. So take capture action, and we have notice here, guys, for we have to extract all these data which is available inside the website. So for that we need to use loop action, right? But which loop action we need to use here? Can you guess? So we need to use here while loop action. So before capture command, we need to take loop action. So take a loop action, and we are going to take or select while loop condition. And inside of while condition, we are going to select object exist action. So give our proper browser variable. So this is our browser variable name, and capture everything. So these rupees things I'm going to extract here. Is extracted. Okay. And check their domex path, guys. So I'm going to copy and paste here in Notepad. Okay. If you are going to take or extract next action, so you can compare uh, first first domex path and second domex path. So we have extracted first this rupees, and we are going to extract second this second things. So we have extracted second rupees and copy this domex path and paste it inside of any notepad. So one thing you can observe here, guys, here one div is incrementing one by one. So everything is same, but one thing is incrementing one by one. So here this div and this name is also same. This div is incrementing one by one, and remaining part is also same. So what we can do in that condition? So we can use one counter and we can increment this counter one by one. One by one, we can increment this counter like this. We can achieve these things or we can automate these things. So if you want to extract second rupees to see uh, which domex path is coming, so we can extract second things also. The third. So this is extracted, and check here domex path also. So it will be easy for you to understand how we can make a dynamic counter for like this website. So remaining all these things is same. Instead of this div is incrementing one by one. You can see here. So we are going to make one counter variable and we are going to increment this counter one by one. Okay. So create one counter variable. Select number, num counter. Okay, this already is present. Make sure your variable name should be unique. It's not duplicate. Okay. And default value will be 1. Create. And I am going to give their in counter variable instead of this one. So inside of first div, we need to give our counter variable. So this is our first div. Give here our counter variable. And here we need to convert this counter variable into string. To string. All the remaining part we are going to delete. Save it. And inside of this loop, we are going to capture now this rupees, GB data, and uh, validity. So use capture action inside of recorder. Give our variable name. capture is captured, and I'm going to give here same domain path which is we have given inside of loop while loop. Paste it. Okay, and remaining all the this checkbox we need to uncheck, because if, if you leave it as check, so it might be create problem next time when we are going to extract these things. So we just need to take a domics path only. So we are going to get a property from website. So select on get property. So which property we are going to take? So we can see here inside of properties where the rupees is coming. So you can see in under of HTML inner text, our rupees is coming. So select these things from this drop down. Okay. HTML inner text. So this is, and save it into in the variable. So good condition. Okay. So now we are going to extract second things. So we are going to extract GB data next things. So I have copy and pasted this capture action. So select this GB data is extracted. Go to automation anywhere and select your domains path for checking is incrementing any div or not. So I think this is okay. And check second second GB data, it's incrementing or not. So I have extracted second row and copy your domains path. I think here already present. Just paste it over, and I'm going to extract in third row. Copy the domains path, paste it into notepad. So you can see guys here everything is same, remaining this part. This thing is incrementing one by one. So we have created already one counter variable. So we can give this counter variable instead of 1, 2, 3. So it will increment one by one. Okay. So paste it here. First div is incrementing one by one. So I'm going to give here first num counter, convert it into string, to string, remove remaining all part, false. And our which thing we are going to extract, this thing is available inside of HTML inner text. So we have to select this HTML inner text inside of this drop down. So select get property and here select HTML inner text. HTML inner text and give here our variable name. Okay, so we have extracted two things. So next and last three things we have to extract here, which is days validity. So extract this. Take their domain path property for the checking. Paste it here. Again extract second row. Copy their domain path. Paste into your notepad, and last is extract third row. For checking is domain path is incrementing or decrementing. So it's extracted, and copy their domain path same. So here these things is one div is incrementing one by one, same which is incrementing inside of we have extracted already for the GB data purpose. How many GB data available inside of this rupees, and for that we have extracted these things, and this domain path also same for that. Okay. So instead of first div, instead of 1, 2, 3, we are going to give here counter variable in the first div. So remove this 3 and add here our counter variable. So it will increment one by one and convert it into string variable. Remove all our other properties. Only domain path should be present inside of properties. Remove these things, and with things we are going to extract these things available under of HTML inner text. So select here get property HTML inner text and give here proper name. So we have extracted all three things which need to we have extract. So and last things is we need to give our increment variable. Give our counter variable is num counter, increment by one, and again assigning into the same number. So we are first we can check our. So I have added here message box, and here give here all these three things or what is for the checking purpose, what is extracting or not. Okay, so let's run our bot to check what will be the expected output. So guys, if you want to make a video on exception handling for the data extraction purpose, so exception handling is very, very important while you are going to extract data, while you are going to write something into the website. So comment down below, and I will make a separate video on that also. So you can see guys, our rupees is 859 is extracted properly, or a GB data 1.5 GB a day is extracted properly, and these things validity days is also extracted properly. So we can check our counter variable, our code is extracting all these things which is available inside of row or not. So check. So second thing is 579 is extracted properly, and check third row is these things. So our bot is extracting properly, guys. Our code is working fine. Just we need to add these extracted things inside of. So we are going to write this extracted data inside of Excel. So for that, first of all, we need to take open Excel action. I'm going to take advanced Excel open, and open action should be outside of loop, guys. Make sure you are giving open action outside of loop action, and give your proper our Excel path. So I'm going to take Excel path here, just copy and paste it here. Okay. So sheet contains as a header, read write and default. And inside of loop, we are going to take set cell action. If you want to write something in Excel, that for that purpose we need to take set cell action. I have make already one video on that. So in which cell we are going to use write. So I have to write data in A2. So A and 2 should be dynamic. So I'm going to create one number variable. So select number package. Say set, and your default value will be 2. Save it and give here our counter variable. It's taking listing, so give like this. Set cell our counter variable name and convert it into string variable to string. Cell value, my cell value will be rs. Okay. Copy this section 2 times. Give here b, and cell value will be, I want to write in b cell GB data. So select here variable from GB data, and that should be removed. Okay. And in the third cell, I want to write your, give your cell name, and I want to write in third cell validity. So select your validity, str validity. Okay. And increment our cell value variable. Our variable name is set cell, incrementing by 1, give same name again. And this we can take also here. And we are going to run our code. So let's run our code to take or see what will be the output of, we have designed our code as per the requirement. So let's see it's writing as per the expected or is extracting as per the expected or not. It's open Excel. So, okay. So, one thing you have noticed here, guys. So, this rupees and this number is taking too much space. So, we need to remove this space. Okay, so you can see here it's taking too much space. So we should not design code, or we should not write this like this value inside of Excel. So I am going to stop my task bot to solve this type of exception. So again, log in our automation anywhere. So we can take a trim action. But trim action is removing only which is available space in front, like beginning or ending. So this space is not available in beginning or ending. This space is available inside of in between of this trim. So for that I can use extract action, extract text, and take it here. And source string will be our strrs, and I'm going to extract this rupees symbol. So give here occurrence will be 1, and this will extract after rupees. Okay, okay, and give here specific name. So I am going to give here rs value, and you can use different types of logic, guys. Logic is not the same for everyone. You can um, create different type of logic, but as of now I'm creating this type of logic. And before rupees, I'm going to extract this rs before rs. So it will be rs1 value. And so we have extracted separately two things, and we can combine these things using one assign variable. So take string action and assign, select here um, after rupees. So it will take number, and before rs it will take rupees symbol. Okay, okay. So first we need to give our rs1 value, rs1, and next is rs, and give here rs also. So I have developed this type of logic here. We can develop another logic also, and I am going to paste my logic. So you can use different type of logic also, guys. Logic is not same for everyone. So it's opening website, opening Excel, and okay, okay. Now you can see the space in between space is removed now. Okay, so you can see inside of Excel also the space is removed now. Okay, so using this type of logic or this type of um, code, you can solve this question during the interview. And if you want to make a video on interview questions, RPA, logics, and automation anywhere, interview questions, Power Automate, and UiPath, so comment down below, and please subscribe our RPA automation channel. So it will be very give you very big motivation for me to make different types of interview questions, and different types of logic. And I am giving you interview questions which is asked during my personal interview, guys. I'm not taking somewhere available interview questions and all. So I'm not taking like this. So I'm sharing my personal interview questions. So you can see all our RS and GB data and validities is extracted properly. So using these things, we can solve this question during the interview. Okay. So thank you guys.